Good evening to everyone. Uh, First, I think we started the game quite well. Our pressing scheme that we thought might help us to make it difficult for them to build from the back and force them into a long ball. I think that worked very well. We created a lot of good situations from our high press. They forced in some instances, and we managed to steal some balls, but I was not happy that we did not capitalize on those situations. I think our game plan on the day was very good, and I would like to thank my fellow coaches, my analysts, and everybody that is surrounding the team. I think it was a very good plan, and it came out the right way. The only thing that I would still feel uncomfortable about is I think we could have scored a lot of goals. And personally, I am that kind of a coach who fell in love with football because of goals. I like a team that scores more. And I think we messed around a lot of good situations. We were unfortunate in some instances. I think Lucas was unfortunate on two occasions, and there were some silly mistakes in the final third that we did. But nonetheless, it was a good performance, and we knew we were playing against a big team. We're not playing against a small team. We knew it's not gonna always favor us. They will have their moments, but I think we tried to minimize their moments as much as we could, which gave us a little bit